Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add tag and label in the SafeCart multi-vendor platform. Let's go to the admin panel, go to the attribute, click on tags. You will see all the list of created tag in the left side, and in the right side you will see option to create new one. Let's give it a name, new tag, click on add new. It is added. You can edit it from here, you can delete it as well. So let's show you how you can create batch list. To create a batch list, you need to add a name, need to select an status is active or inactive. You have to select an image as well. Now click on add new. The badge is added. These badge and tag are required when you are going to create any product in the platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.